Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to broadcast your screen in Microsoft Teams while keeping your participants in view. This is an excellent tool for teachers, project leads, or anyone who needs to present information while monitoring audience engagement and reactions. To begin, visit the Microsoft Teams website and log into your account. This step is essential because you need access to your scheduled events and personal calendar within the platform. After logging in, navigate to the Calendar tab where your upcoming meetings are organized. Locate the specific session you wish to present in and select the Join button. This will bring you to a preview screen where you should click Join Now to officially enter the call and prepare for your screen share. Now, let's set up the view so you can see your audience. Within the meeting interface, find the View menu to access customization settings. Click on the More Options icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots. From the list that appears, choose Show Gallery on right. This adjustment moves the participant video feeds to the side of your shared content, allowing you to observe everyone's faces while presenting. Using this layout helps maintain a personal connection and allows you to respond to visual cues or questions instantly. It transforms a standard slideshow into a truly interactive experience. Remember, keeping an eye on your audience can significantly improve communication and make your session more effective for everyone involved. This method is perfect for classrooms, corporate updates, or any scenario where feedback is vital. You now have the skills to present effectively without losing sight of your team. Try practicing this layout before your next big meeting to ensure a smooth delivery. Happy presenting!